Hello guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ngayon po, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano magpa-appointment online ng ating TIN number or TIN ID. Ngayon po, umpisahan na natin. Pumunta po tayo sa ating Google Chrome and i-type po natin ang online appointment for BIR. So, i-click natin tong BIR application. E-appointment system. Guys, i-click natin yung read more. And before you proceed. So, babasahin ko lang yung number 1, guys. Complete the required documentary requirements. It is important that you bring all required documents. Please fill out and print the checklist of documentary requirements, CDR, and bring it your scheduled visit along with the documents. So, ngayon guys, basahin nyo lang po yan. Then, proceed na po tayo dito sa the BIR appointment system is a web-based booking calendar that gives you flexibility to book an appointment or time that works best for you. Ngayon, i-click natin yung book now. And guys, dito po, iselect po natin yung select the BIR office to book an appointment. Pumili tayo guys dito ng BIR office. So, ang pipiliin ko na lang guys ay dito na lang po sa, halimbawa po, ito pong sa Tarlac na lang po. So, i-select natin yan guys. Then, dito po sa BIR office to book an appointment, Revenue District Office, number 178 Tarlac City. Select the service that you want to avail of assessment section. Set a virtual meeting. Client support section. So guys, pipili na po tayo dito kung ano po ba yung ating kukunin. The following transaction in the client support section are available for appointment. Print checklist or documentary requirements. Click book now to set an appointment. So, yung may nakalagay po dito guys na register for a business, pero yung kailangan ko po is eto. Ang kailangan ko po ay etong TIN. So, i-click ko po tong apply for TIN. I-click ko po yung book now. And basahin nyo lang yan guys. I-click nyo po yung agree. Pagka-click nyo po ng agree guys, ayan na po yung lalabas. RDO 178 Client Support Section. CSS Appointment. E-Appointment Portal. So guys, ngayon po, select na po natin yung pili na po tayo ng time and date. So, yung pinili ko po ay August 26. August 29 guys yung pinili ko and August 29. And pag nakapili na kayo guys ng date at saka ng time, ilagay po natin dito yung ating details. So, ilagay natin guys dito yung ating name. So, ilagay natin yung ating complete name dyan guys. Hindenburg Santilises. And ilagay natin dito yung ating email. And yun pong atin pong address. Tsaka yung atin pong mobile number. And guys, please let us know if you have any special request. Thank you. So, i-click na po natin yung book. And guys, pag na-click na po natin yung book, may darating po sa inyong email kung kailan po yung inyo pong schedule at saka po yung time. Yung date po at saka yung oras na pupunta kayo sa office ng kuhaan po ng TIN number. And ngayon guys, yun lang po.